This is pretty cool. Hummingbird style cardinal. Isn't that neat? He did dive down. Not even from that far. Too cool. And then you can barely see him. Like, right there. Oh. That was cool. See, I mean, it is so hard to tell when a bird is really there or not. Like, it truly is. So I wonder how I knew, because if you notice, I just came out my door. So I didn't know he was going to start hummingbirding around. But he did. Isn't that hummingbird-like to you? It is to me. I wonder if he was like, wow. I was going to say, because where did he start at? Sorry. Pretty cool. Pretty darn cool. Like, truly. Because I don't even see, unless that's him right there, but yep, that was him. Too cool for school. It goes to show, like, legit how hard the birds are to see, because I was gonna guess that maybe he was right there. He could also, though, be right there, or even up there. But let's see where he comes down from. So, like, that could, this could be a bird. This could move. That could be a bird. That could be a bird. That, they're like butterflies. And yesterday I got a bunch of butterfly photography. Or not even photography, but so, okay, to me, it looks like that's the bird. And it also kind of looks like that's one, looks like that's something. But they do love to, like, hang out at the brush area where we're at. I mean, who even knows how many are, like, because I think that's a bird right there. Like a butterfly bird. That looks like one, too. Like they're really little, they're woodpeckers of some sort. And the reason I know that is just because that's how they fly, swim, fly. They do the breaststroke. That could be a bird. I mean, there are so many in here, it's ridiculous. Like, they really are tiny. And that even looks strange. Okay, so now can we even find the bird that we know is going to jump down? Let's see. Is this him right here? Is that him? Probably not even. It's probably a different bird. Oh, that looks like one too. Okay. And that looks like one. That looks like one. So we just found a few, didn't we? To me, that does, and that does kind of too. Anyway, they're how does it turn into 4 minutes? Oh, this is definitely a bird. Hold on, right there. Are you kidding? Hang on. And I don't even think that's the. That's a bird. So he should be in movement. So now I'm going to say it's that thing, but who knows? Wow. And then where did he even go back to? Like, pause. I don't even know where he dove in from. That is too cool, though. I love doing the play pause action. Like, whoa, where did he think he... I feel like cardinals are either the Indiana or Ohio state bird. I'm pretty sure that it's Indiana. Play pause. So he's wherever.